Adding new clients to Pet Sitter Plus is quick and easy, ensuring you can efficiently manage client information. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. First, log in to your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the Clients tab on the left-hand menu. Click Add New at the top of the Clients page. This will open up the client information form. Here, you'll need to enter the client's basic information. Start by entering the client's first and last name. Next, enter the schedule ref. This is how they appear in your schedule, so we recommend that you use their pet's name here. Finally, add their email address. These 4 basic fields need to be complete for you to create the client record. Once you've filled in the basic details and clicked Create, this will create a new client record and automatically generate submenus and fields underneath client information. The first time you create a client record, the submenu fully opens, displaying all the tabs. In future, when you enter their record, the client information section will be collapsed. You can expand it by using the little arrow to the left. And that's it! You've successfully added a new client to Pet Sitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.